Hey there, and welcome back to Roadmap to App. My name is Lainey King, and I'm the founder of this business where we help small businesses and entrepreneurs affordably develop successful mobile apps. Additionally, we provide free resources online at our website, roadmaptapp.com, on our Facebook page and Instagram, where we speak to you about mobile app development and business in regular terms, right? Instead of all that complicated developer language that you will find on the internet at this time. So let's get started on today's topic. We're going to be discussing how to define your target audience and why this is so important in business. So incredibly important to know who you're building your mobile app for, who you're opening up your retail shop for. Okay, let me tell you, the answer cannot be everyone. I want everyone to download my mobile app. I want everyone to come into my shop. Wrong. We all want that, okay? We all want everyone to patronize our business. It's not going to happen, okay? So you have to be clear about who your exact customer is going to be in order to craft everything that appeals to them. In the mobile app world, this is huge when you're designing your app. You have to know who that ideal user is so that you can design features, you can design colors that will appeal to this person. So let's back up just a little bit. What is a target audience? Well, let's make it a little bit simpler. Let's just talk about a target customer or target user. The easiest way I think it is to think about this is if you could tell one person about your business or about your mobile app, and you know if you told that person about your business, they would come. They would say, oh my gosh, this is meant for me. Thank you. I've been looking for this. What does that person look like? Okay. What's their age? Are they male or female? Let's talk about demographics here. Sometimes it's important to think about what's their education, if that even matters. Like for the Crawfish app, for my mobile app, that didn't matter. But you better believe gender and age mattered. Okay. What are their interests, right? So I want you to think about this person and define that ideal customer for your business. Now that doesn't mean that's the only person that's going to use your app or come into your store or read your blog or listen to your podcast, but this is your target. If you can design everything to appeal to this person, you are so much more likely to have success. I'll give you an example. With the Crawfish app, we defined our ideal user as a male, ages 21 to 55, living in Louisiana, ideally, right? Geography, you can take that into account, and interested in crawfish. We were confident that if we could get 100,000 males aged 21 to 55, living in Louisiana, who were interested in crawfish, if we could just put them in one big LSU Tiger Stadium, for example, or an NFL football stadium, and get on the loudspeaker and say, attention everyone, there is now a mobile app that will help you find live and boiled crawfish prices and reviews in your area. Download it now for free. We are so confident that the majority of those men, 21 to 55, living in Louisiana, interested in crawfish, would download our mobile app. So you need to think, if you could fill up an NFL stadium with your target user, what does that person look like? How old is this person? What are their interests? Where do they live? Okay? Now, once you have that person defined, what's next is even more important. You have to design every aspect of your app around that target user, okay? For example, we defined our target user as a male, right? Do you think we're going to use the colors pink and purple in the design of our mobile app? No, okay? We had to pick colors that would appeal to a male. If you are opening up a toy store and your ideal customer is a mom with children, right? Design that toy store around a mom. Don't use scary colors like black and brown. Make it a bright, fun place where she wants to bring her kids. Okay, so these are very simple examples, but you see what I'm saying, especially when you're in that design phase of your mobile app. Ask that ideal user every time, would so-and-so like this? Would this appeal to them? Does this feature fit the description? Maybe some of you are targeting elderly with your business. You have, a wonderful facility for the elderly. You need to make things, something that would appeal to them. Something that would be easy to understand, not complicated, not overly techie, right? They don't want to be on iPads and computers, majority. Okay, I'm kind of stereotyping here, but you see what I'm saying. Nothing high technology. Keep your target user in mind at all times when it comes to business planning, to designing your app, to designing your retail store, to picking a name, everything. Please keep that person in mind. Got it? All right. Stay tuned, guys. We've got some more good topics coming up in the future. Appreciate you tuning in today, and we'll see you here soon. Thank you.